in place will save the trees. Now, I'm going to show you a different view using our drone to give you a better picture of how massive this place is. We're talking miles and miles of citrus. Now, this year, we're told the citrus forecast will be at a total of around 48 million boxes of citrus produced. Now, that's a far cry from the more than 200 million boxes produced in previous years. Reasons include labor shortages and demand, so cold weather is the last thing these farmers need.
Oh, out here on this farm, we got about 60 acres. From limes, lemons, tangerines, grapefruits. They really do need a lot of sunlight and sandy soil.
And dropping temps could mean bad news for the crops.
We can handle a light freeze, but it's when we get down below 26 degrees for 4 hours or more, that's when it really starts to create the damaging effects to the tree and to the crop.
And for Josh Arnold here at Showcase of Citrus, this weekend could bring a double dose of disasters.
We're looking at two crops on this tree. We got next year's crops here in the blossoms, and then we have this year's crop.
He will be relying on this irrigation system to protect his trees when the temperatures drop this weekend.
We're using water that comes out of the ground, that comes out of these lakes. That groundwater and lake water is going to be a lot warmer than the air temperature. And what that does, it's going to release heat into the atmosphere, and heat rises. So the heat's going to rise up through the tree and help protect the canopy and help raise the air temperature a little bit as well in our grove.
This will be the coldest weather this area has seen in about 4 years, but Arnold has seen worse.
I don't think it'll be as bad as the year 1989 when it was 14 degrees on this farm and it killed every single citrus tree here in Central Florida.
Now, Josh told me that he and his workers will continue to check temperatures out here throughout the night. Live here in Lake County, Karen Parks, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.
All right, Karen, wish them well. Today, Governor Ron DeSantis said the state will continue to support Florida's struggling citrus